Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we're going to play around with some chocolate. I have some milk chocolate here, and I also have some raisins. I did not measure the chocolate, but I'm going to say I've got about 1 cup. Around that, so it's around 200 grams of chocolate. And our raisins. And all I'm going to do is just get some of my raisins right into the chocolate. And I'm not sure how many I'm going to use. I'm just going to stir them in and we'll see. A few more. I want a good ratio of chocolate to raisin. So this chocolate is not tempered. All I did was heat it up. It's just regular milk chocolate. Melted very, very easily. Maybe a few more. I think that's about it. Just give that a little bit of a stir. I do love chocolate and raisins together. Okay. And then I am just going to make little clumps. It's nice and easy, so no mold required. If you've ever had chocolate covered raisins, you know how delicious they are. I felt like making some of these today, so I thought I would just do a very quick video. So not everything yummy needs to be done in a mold. So I'll just whip through these and I'll come back in a second. A little more on that one. Just going to get these onto a tray. There we go. I should have done that in the beginning, but I forgot. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to pop these into the fridge until they're set up, and then I'll come back. So here we go. This is about 20 minutes later. I wasn't in a rush. I just wanted everything to set up nicely. And we are ready to cut into one. I'll go for a nice big one here. Look at that. Ooh, that looks so good. Let's grab a knife and cut right through this. Oh, look at that. That is nice. Look at this. Full of raisins. Ooh, awesome. So you can see, nice milk chocolate and all those raisins in there. I'm going to cut this up again and go for a little bite. Oh, wow. Really nice. If you love chocolate and you love raisins, you're going to want to try this very soon. So that just goes to show you, you don't always need a mold to make something really, really yummy. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, I am over there as well at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. That's it for now, and I'll catch you on the next one. I love milk chocolate and raisins. That's really good. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.